a craniocervical flexion test. This can help us with strength. It can help us with coordination. Help us, coordination sort of like motor control. Can you lay on your back? You're good? Okay. Hang on to that for me. Good. Work with your head gently. Good. So you're going to have this pad in the back of the neck. Come on back. Good. Tighten it up. I'm going to need to see it too. Thanks. Sorry, sharing is caring. So you're going to pump this up to 20 milligrams of mercury. You guys know what that looks like? Stop moving. What did I say? Oh, yeah, that's funny.
Daniel, you were shaking your feet all over. Sorry.
Yeah, stop moving. So once we're at 20, every little black line is 2 millimeters of mercury. So we fill it up to 20 to try to inflate the cuff to decrease or fill up the space of the lordosis. So then, all you're going to do is have them chin tuck to that first little black line. And your goal is to hold it once we get there.
Phil?
Well, you got to look at it. And so you get to that little black line, and we hold it for 10 seconds. And we do it 10 times.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
At 22. If you can successfully do it,
There's no way.
24. And now what you're doing is not only are you seeing can they hold it, but you're looking for that needle. Does it go like this? Does it quiver? Does it stay still? Do they lose it and does it drop? Do they overcompensate? Does it increase? All of that. What does 10 by 10 usually mean?
Motor control and stab.
Motor control and stab. So like I said, this is motor control, it's endurance, it's coordination. It also improves strength. So if you can do 10 by 10, 10-second holds 10 times at the appropriate dial, you then go up to the next level. When you get stronger, you increase the weight. When you get good at it, you increase the resistance. If she fails at 22, there's no reason to go up to 24. Not until she does 10 by 10 can she go up to 24. And then that's about it. You work your way up towards 30.
Do you expect fatigue?
You expect fatigue, but you expect the individuals to hold it.
Yeah.
If you can't hold it, if you see quivering and all that, you just have to practice within the time frames that you have. Just like normally you would do 10 by 10. If you get tired at 5, only go to 5. If you get tired at 2, go down to the next level. You would hope that you don't get tired in 2 seconds at 22, but.
So you don't want, like, your aim is not fatigue.
No, it's to be able to control it. Yeah, if you're going all around, you're not doing it. So
Right.
that's where you need to back it down.
How do you regress from, like, let's say if they can't even do 22, do you stick them at 20?
20 is just resting.
Okay.
So you would have to work towards 22. That would be a tough one. Or do like a supine chin tuck at that point, because they're having a real hard time.
So if they fatigued at 5, able to do 10 repetitions at 5 seconds, you still stay at 22 until they can do it for 10 seconds?
Yes.
10 times? Okay.
Yep.
So you can't change the baseline, the 20?
No, because the baseline is only to fill up the lordosis in the neck.
Let's say someone doesn't have that curvature, has lost that curvature.
So 20 would come on earlier.
Then you go to what? Or has an increased curvature.
I don't know. I've never had that happen before. It's a good question. Yeah, I've never had that happen. Plus 20 is the first thing on the dial. I don't know how to measure it if it goes below that, to be honest.
It's probably not a good.
I've never had that problem before, though. If it goes below, then you could just re-inflate it. You have fun?
Yeah.
You've been focused at least.
I know. You have to like actively
Add weight.
focus on it.
That's how you go up to 24. Go up to 26.
Oh, okay, so like once you, is there like a limit to this, or should you do
30 is your limit, but you're not going to be able to do 30, so don't worry about it.
What's the wait time between 10 by 10 for motor control? Just like a 10-second break?
Yeah, you
Like
can
in
take a break.
between?
Yep, 10-second break.
What about working your way up at 30 seconds? How do you do that? Like, so do you do 10 by 10 at 22, then go to 24? Do you do 10 by 10, then try for 30, then go to 24?
No. You always go up each stage. So you always go 22, then 24, 26.
I mean like 30 seconds.
No
Like
reason
30
to.
second holds.
If you want to work on endurance even more, I guess you can.
Oh, yeah, I
But
was
protocol,
confused. You meant-
protocol-wise, it's 10
Yeah.
seconds. 10 by 10,
Okay.
go up the next level.
You meant 30 millimeters of mercury.
Yes.
Gotcha.
As far as this is an exercise I'm guessing for a patient. So
Yes, so that's the thing. It's a assessment. It's also a treatment.
So let's say if they got 22, do we progress them the same day or progress them the next day to 24?
You can progress on the same day.
Okay.
That's fine. Because technically, it only takes a few minutes to do.
Exactly.
It really depends on what other type of dysfunctions they have, but you could always do it the same day.
Okay.
But they have to be successful with the 10 seconds
Yes.
10 times too.
Yep. If you can only lift 50 pounds, and I want you to do 100, you're not going to be successful. You've got to work your way up to it. How you doing?